Imagine starting a business with $0, no fancy website, no huge team, no investors. Just you, your laptop, and a bit of creativity. Sounds impossible? What if I told you thousands of people are already doing it? Right now. From their bedroom. Earning their first $10,000 as a one-person business. The question is, why not you? Today, I'll break down how beginners can go from $0 to $10,000. Without coding. Without paid ads. Without needing a huge following. Just simple, repeatable steps. And the best part? You can start today. Even if you've never made a single dollar online. Even if you think you have no skills. Because I'll show you how to turn what you already know into a profitable one-person business. So let me ask you, do you want to escape the 9 to 5? Do you want to make money on your own terms? Do you want a system that actually works in 2025? Then stay tuned. Because this video could be the turning point. The moment you stop dreaming and start doing. Start CTA. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Alright, let's get into it. Step 1. Pick a profitable skill. Most people overcomplicate this. They think they need something rare. But the truth is, simple skills sell. Skills like copywriting, social media management, graphic design, or even just organizing information. The key is not to be the best in the world. The key is to be useful to someone willing to pay. Step 2. Find your first client. Don't wait for them to magically appear. Go where the buyers already are. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. But here's the trick, don't compete on price. Compete on clarity. Offer a very specific solution. For example, instead of saying, I do design, say, I design YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. That's clear. That's attractive. And clients will notice. Step 3. Deliver insanely good work. Not average. Not just okay. Over-deliver. Make your clients say, wow, I didn't expect that, because that, wow, turns into referrals. And referrals are how one-person businesses explode. Step 4. Raise your rates. Start small, sure. But after 2 or 3 clients, double your price. Why? Because high-paying clients respect your time. And you'll need fewer of them to hit $10,000. Now, you might be thinking, but what if I have no portfolio? Easy. Create one sample project. Show what you can do. Record yourself doing it. Or post your work on social media. That becomes your proof. And suddenly, you're not a beginner anymore. Step 5. Systemize. This is where you go from hustler to actual business owner. Use tools to automate. Use templates to save time. Use AI to scale faster. Because your goal isn't to stay busy. Your goal is freedom. And systems buy you time. Now let's talk about mindset. Because most people quit too early. They expect results in 1 week. But real growth takes consistency. If you stay consistent for 90 days, you will see results. And by 6 months, you'll look back and think, wow, that $10,000 was closer than I thought. Here's the truth. Starting is the hardest part. But once you start, it gets addictive. Because making your first $1 online feels magical. And that $1 shows you that $10,000 is possible. And $100,000 is possible. Mid-video CTA, like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now, let me give you 3 powerful hacks. Hack 1. Build in public. Share your journey online. Tweet about what you're doing. Post updates on LinkedIn. Even small wins attract people. And those people become clients. Hack 2. Niche down. Don't be the everything guy. Be the go-to for one thing. Like email sequences for coaches, or TikTok ads for e-commerce. That focus makes you the obvious choice. Hack 3. Reinvest your earnings. Don't blow your first $1,000 on gadgets. Reinvest into better tools, courses, or outsourcing tasks you hate. That speeds up your growth. Now here's a secret few talk about. The $0 to $10,000 path is not about perfection. It's about speed. Done is better than perfect. Your first offer won't be perfect. Your first client experience won't be perfect. Your first logo won't be perfect. And that's okay. Because money comes from action, not perfection. Think of it this way, $10,000 is just 10 clients at $1,000. Or 20 clients at $500. That's it. Suddenly it doesn't sound so scary, right? And if you can land one client, you can land 10. And that's how momentum works. One win leads to another. And soon you'll look back and realize your one-person business is thriving. Let's recap quickly. Step 1. Pick a profitable skill. Step 2. Find your first client. Step 3. Overdeliver. Step 4. Raise your rates. Step 5. Systemize. Add in some hacks, build in public. Niche down. Reinvest profits. And you've got the blueprint. The beginner-friendly path from $0 to $10,000. No gimmicks. No fluff. Just action. And here's the best part. Once you hit $10,000, you'll know exactly how to scale. To $20,000. To $50,000. Even to $100,000. Because business is just repeating what works. And if you can do it once, you can do it again. So here's my challenge to you. Take one step today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Send one pitch. Create one sample. Post one update. Just one step. And then repeat it daily. Because small steps create big wins. Now, before we close, let me leave you with this. The best time to start a one-person business was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Don't wait for perfect timing. Don't wait to feel ready. Start before you're ready. And learn as you go. That's how every successful entrepreneur starts. And that's how you'll get to $10,000. Because you've got everything you need. Right here. Right now. Inside you. NCTA. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. Because I drop these AI money-making tools every week. And if you want to stay ahead, you don't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go build your business. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember, start small. Stay consistent. Scale smart. That's the path. From $0 to $10,000 to freedom. Are you ready? Because your future self is waiting. And trust me, they'll thank you for the choice you make today. Don't overthink. Don't doubt. Just act. Because success doesn't come to the hesitant. It comes to the bold. And you're bold enough. Bold enough to start. Bold enough to push through. Bold enough to win. Now pause this video. Take action. Send that first message. Make that first post. Create that first gig. Because action creates clarity. And clarity creates money. And money creates freedom. And freedom is why you're here. Right? So don't just watch this. Live this. Apply this. Because this isn't theory. This is real. And it works. If you work it. So, are you ready to work it? Drop a yes in the comments. And I'll know you're serious. Serious about starting. Serious about building. Serious about winning. This is your year. This is your time. Go get it. I'll see you tomorrow.